Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn numbers. We will be tracing all these numbers and finding the missing numbers. Let us get started. 1. What comes after 1? 2. 2. This is 3. 'What comes after number 3? 4. 'This is 5. 'What comes after number 5? 6. 'This is 7. 'What comes after number 7? 8. 'This is 9. 'What comes after number 9? 10. 'This is 11. 'What comes after number 11? 12. 'This is 13. 'What comes after number 13? 14. 'This is 15. 'What comes after number 15? 16. 'This is 17. 'What comes after number 17? 18. 'This is 19. 'What comes after number 19? 20. Thank you kids for coloring all these numbers with me. I hope you like finding all the missing numbers. Let us read one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you kids for watching this. I hope you like it. Do like this video and subscribe. Bye bye.